headed to another interview. Oh yeah, I do turn right here, okay. Yeah, this is straight. Alright, bingo. But yeah, I'm headed to Fort Lauderdale today. It is 9:12 today. 9:12. GTA on the car just pulled over. That was fun. Oh, that just scared the shit out of me. I didn't even know it was a dude on the fence. Oh man. I don't think nobody's coming. I'm gonna just go ahead and go. Yeah, it's definitely a limiter on this bike. It's a brake limiter, bro, cause like when I try to like press the go, my bike won't go because I hold on to the brake. So it gotta be a brake limiter. And I remember getting this bike. To like 30, bro. I remember. Water stinks, like literally, they pond water stinks, bro. Like you can smell that on the interstate. That's how bad it is. We're going the wrong way, y'all. Oh, do not enter. We're gonna just enter. In this way. So I know what's wrong with my bike. Let me make sure I'm still going the right way. Oh God, I'm going the wrong way. Oh man. Oh. Okay, yeah. Oh, I was not ready for that jump. Definitely was not ready for that jump. I messed up. This bike definitely could jump that though. I thought it was just like going down the hills. But I just put new wheels on this bike, bro. I don't want to freaking pop them. I literally just put new wheels on the bike. I do not want to pop them. Let me see if I'm going the right way. Oh yeah, I'm going the right way. I gotta turn this way. That's good. Last time I was not going the right way. Let me put this on. Oh, I thought somebody was coming this way. Bro, I see these apartments everywhere now. It's like they coming in and no one could stop them. It's like, I don't know, it's like the mad church. You know what I mean? So bro, it was a man crossing the bike lane to the train track, right? That dude. And I didn't know he was gonna go back on the sidewalk, so I had got in front of him. I had swerved him off back into the pool. Bro, I know he probably said dang man, these fucking e-bikes. I'm so tired of these e-bikes. All they do is just get in everybody's way. Well, bro, you'll be alright, bro. I mean, you weren't even in the sidewalk or the bike lane. You was in the middle of the road. Going the other direction that everybody else supposed to be going anyway. It was just funny. But yeah, that was funny. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see where I'm going. Cause I'm trying to get to this place without messing up again. You know, they said 10 o'clock. So that's good. I don't have to let me see. Be there that fast. So I could actually explore a little bit. But what's back here, bro? What's back here? What's back here? Oh, nothing. Really? Church over there? Yeah. I gotta get over this side anyway. I'm gonna get over this side when everybody, when this big car come. It's over here though. Just warehouses. Me just going through it everywhere I could possibly go with this bike. It's back here. See, this is why I like to ride this bike. It's like you could pedal too and ride. One thing about this bike I can say though, I like when on dirt roads or something like that, I don't have to worry about wasting my battery a lot, because I could just pedal with the battery. Oh yeah, so I figured out what was that noise too on my bike. I gotta change my I'll show you guys later. But yeah, I gotta change that. Did I messed up one time? I think I fell on my bike and it bent, so I gotta get a new one actually to replace it. It goes to changing gears. Okay, let me see. Okay, yeah. So it's this way.